Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make Tendon. Tendon is a tempura rice bowl with teriyaki sauce. You heat the pan over medium to high heat and put mirin, the Japanese sweet rice wine, sugar, and soy sauce. I recommend Kikkoman. And you keep stirring as you cook. After a while, it will start bubbling up like this and get thickened slightly. Teriyaki sauce is done. Put it aside to cool. Next, you prepare the vegetables. You peel a purple sweet potato like this, leaving some of the purple skin so that it is pretty. Cut both ends off and slice diagonally about 5 mm thick. This purple sweet potato is commonly used for tempura in Japan. This is very hard and has less water content, so it stays crisp when it is fried. You put the sweet potato slices in water to prevent discoloration. Next, you slice pumpkin, about 5 mm thick like this. I recommend Japanese pumpkin, or Kent pumpkin it may be called. This has nice green skin and bright orange flesh. You can remove the green skin if you like, but it is pretty with the skin on. Now you prep prawns. I'm using thawed frozen prawns tail on. You remove the pointy shell on the tail and cut the tail in half diagonally like this. Leaving small pointy tail like this. Prawns are naturally curled, so you make a few incisions on this side, like this. And flip it over and flatten it from the other side. This will prevent the prawns from curling up when they are fried, and also it will make them look bigger. Place them on kitchen paper. Now you make tempura batter. You put cornstarch in a bowl. Add plain flour. And mix well. Then you add cold water and dab gently. You leave maximum lumps. This is the key for nice crunchy tempura. Drop small amount of butter in the heated oil and make sure it goes down and float up soon, so the oil is hot enough. You dip the sweet potato slices in the butter, coat thinly, and start deep frying. It will take a few minutes to cook the hard vegetables like sweet potatoes and pumpkins. You turn the slices in the oil a few times. When they become slightly colored, they should be ready. If you're not sure if they're cooked, you can insert a skewer to check. You shake off the oil carefully and place them on a wire rack. Next, pumpkin slices. The same as the sweet potato. Dip the slices in the butter, coat thinly, and put them in the oil. You can see the lumps in the butter well on the pumpkin. This will make the tempura crunchy. Turn the slices over a few times while frying. When they are colored slightly, they should be ready. Shake off the oil carefully and place them on the wire rack. Now we also have green beans to fry. They're washed and both ends chopped. Put them in the butter. All the lumpiness of the butter is gone by now, so you add 1 tablespoon of plain flour to create more lumps. Mix slightly just to wet the flour. Coat the butter thinly and put them in the oil to deep fry. They tend to stick together, but that's okay. This shouldn't take long to cook. When they're slightly colored, shake off the oil and put them on the wire rack. Last but not least, prawns. You coat prawn flesh with cornstarch first. Just a rough coat is fine. And dip it into the butter using the tail as a handle. And then into the oil. The cornstarch coating will make the prawn tempura crunchy and also prevent the butter from slipping off when they are fried. Turn a few times as they are fried. When they are slightly colored, they are ready. You hold the prawn vertically to remove excess oil and put them on the rack. Now assembling time. You put some rice in a bowl. This large, deep bowl is called donburi, so tempura donburi. It's shortened to Tendon. But you don't have to use donburi. Any dish will do. Then you drizzle teriyaki sauce. I used about 1½ teaspoons, but this sauce is fairly strong, so please adjust to your liking. You place tempura pieces on top of the rice. You aim to assemble the tempura pieces vertically so that you can see all the different kinds of tempura when it is done. This piece is kakiage, a kind of tempura, and I didn't show you how to make it in this video. Please watch our kakiage video for detailed method. The prawns can be placed high on top of everything. Extra drizzle of teriyaki sauce on top. This sweet teriyaki sauce goes really well with the crunchy tempura and rice. This is my ultimate comfort food. Tendon is done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.